This is the last time we're ever going to get to Autocross at San Pedro.
For the first time ever, she beat me.
The lot is being transformed into a future cruise terminal, and they've even started construction already, unexpectedly cutting into our run space today. Autocross is dying. Except it's not. The Autocross community is strong. It's filled with dedicated drivers who show up every single weekend because they love this sport. Autocross remains one of the most affordable and accessible ways to enter motorsports, and right now, with motorsports trending in mainstream media, more people are interested than ever. I've been doing this long enough to see 2 venues go away, and sadly, I have to see another great venue go away. So today, I'm out here with the Porsche Club, racing the GT4, giving San Pedro the send-off it deserves.
Great send-off in this place. We're really gonna miss this spot.
Look at all the seagull poop. Jesus, it's all over. Jesus. I just need to piece everything together. Wow, yes! 38 flat. Come on. I can get to 37. Yes! What? Oh. Woo! I did a 37.1. I just like pieced it all together. I don't know. Whew. The last one felt like I was flying. Woo!
Somehow I'm.
Woo! Anyways, it's too early to celebrate. It's not competition yet. The brakes feel great. They definitely needed that bleed. Like maybe like 10 autocrosses ago. The team did a great job designing this course to be technical while still being a power course, especially considering the limited space from the construction. The first turn is a full throttle launch from start using brakes to rotate the car right. It then flows into a U-turn that I lightly brake twice to get around. A tight kink where you can really straighten out to power out of. Here's where I shifted into second into a fast corner. Getting on throttle early and exiting wide to carry more speed was a trick to nailing this corner. My brake reference is right before this cone, using all the space to exit wide, trail braking into the next U-turn. 50% brake and trail to the right, keeping the car as straight as possible until the first slalom cone. Into a really hard brake zone, then roll onto full throttle until the exit. I barely touched that cone. You did it! You did it!
I broke the curse.
Okay, thank you.
That's your new goal, beat me.
Well, I think I still got you beat then.
I know. Well, you gotta maintain it.
You're exiting a lot wider to carry more speed, so I could be doing that.
You think that's better than what you're doing?
I think so.
Okay.
Oh, who's to say? I've got to pass the time.
I'm sure.
This is like gonna be terrible ego boost for me.
Terrible or amazing?
Probably both.
Never forget the AC for a tiny bit of energy.
Okay.
Well, number 1.
Thank you. Thank you. 7-4. Smell my brakes. Oh my god. god! What? Woo! Woo! Oh my gosh!
You still beat me.
Yes! Yes! I could smell my brakes. And I've never smelled my brakes in autocross.
Good job.
Good job.
Woo! Thank you.
You just won the men's group.
Yes!
You just gotta feel it in your bones.
You know what? After my second run, I realized I had my phone in my butt pocket. I took it out, and then I got my fastest run. I was handicapping my butt.
You didn't get the full seated.
I'm not sure that's exactly what that means, but sure.
You didn't get the full seat experience.
Congratulations. Now I have to do a 36.
You do have to do that.
Pressure is on.
Yup.
For the first time ever, she beat me. Congratulations.
Thank you. Goodbye to San Pedro, forever known as the Monaco of Autocross. You will be missed. Look at the freaking sailboat at the back. It's so picture perfect. Bye! Great send off.